Hello, my name's Jason, and welcome to the Center of Math's Problem of the Week. So in this problem, we're going to be asked to find the volume of the solid created when the region bounded by y equals x squared and y equals x is rotated about the x-axis. So I'm going to do this using the washer method. So the standard form of the washer method is pi times the integral a to b, that's your bounded region. And then it's going to be large R squared minus little r squared dx. So the first thing you want to do is find your region of integration. So the best way to do this is by finding, at least in this problem, is by finding the points of intersection of your functions. So let's do that. So we're going to set x squared equal to x. And you're going to start solving. So square root equals x. So square root of x. And this is true for just two numbers. It's going to be true for x equals 0 and x equals 1. So those are your regions of integration. Your lower bound is going to be 0, and your upper bound is going to be 1. So let's go ahead and graph that. Just make a small sort of sketch, just so we can figure out what are and what we're going to label as little r. So here at 0, and here at 1. Here, 1, y equals x. And when we're dealing with numbers smaller than 1, y equals x squared. When we're dealing with numbers smaller than 1, then x squared is going to be less than x. So in our region R, and label this small r, and this going to be big R. I guess let's label that A. Let's label the region A. So this big R is going to be y equals x. So we can go ahead and plug this all into our integral. So pi over the region to 0 to 1 of, let's see what big R is, x. So x squared minus x to the 4th. So x squared squared. And dx. So this is our integral. Let's go ahead and find the antiderivative. That's going to be pi times 1 over 3 x cubed minus 1 over 5 x to the 5th. 0 to 1. So if we plug this in, you're going to get pi, and then 1 cubed times 1/3 is 1/3. So 1/3 minus 1 to the 5th is 1 again, so minus 1/5. And then when you plug 0 in, this whole thing is going to be 0. So we can just work with this. And then we're going to go ahead and make our denominators the same. So 1/3 is the same as 5 over 15. And then 1/5 is the same as 3 over 15. So as a final answer, we're going to get 2 pi over 15. So thank you for joining us. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and go ahead and check out our blog.